Aku ko kala idone.
Wile kan aja kan.
Engko winden ko la.
Toro orang itu mamen. Mau kena age ranam mau properti itu nang sedar. Ayo mau sedar nolum noluk pun dia tu.
Winden ko ko milay ne aku.
Kan wilayah apa kan? Dia mau kerja tu lagi. Mau signature lagi. Tu lagi datang.
Abu ai.
Oi,
Nong mate ko ke mu ni.
jangan kau lah.
Abu ko wil ko saina mu dun na.
Doi dam no yakki mangada atu agar saja mangada atu properti bunai mano inko wil kada yang mai.
Ma abu ko wil dei du mo. Name lang ko lo mo hirong na ma. Akon du kostola mi ka ama ina ke dei mo. Donate mu dun na.
Deh idom muji do dah deh.
Ma muluk yinam no ka du kostona de tine ka du ai abu. Dei la de ke da mungkin biya na aya hita. De welcome to tina bottana operation ng ilama na konan. Dei la no ate mo will ko nang donate am mu du.
Oh muji ngalo do dah deh. Then mokom demi ni ye lagi ya. Bukan wilayah lah.
Dana. Abu ngol hema pim air la pa lagi. Amin awareness la pa lagi ngai.
Ayo, lem kang kedo.
Ai.
You might have done very good or bad things during your life, but you can do great things even after you die. So just don't leave a will, leave a vision. It is very difficult or it is next to impossible for us to live even a single day without light. It is blindfolded or anything. But imagine there are thousands of visually challenged children who are living their lives almost without any light, that is in total darkness. In many cases, if treatment is conducted properly, then it can be cured. For that, we need a sufficient amount of donated eyes. There is no lovelier way to thank God for your sight than by providing a helping hand to those who are in darkness. In our Arunachal, there are only few eye banks and they collect only few donated eyes every year. Shortage of donated eyes is becoming a huge problem for us. In our society, few people still have the misconception that by donating their organs, they might be born without it in the next life. But no one knows what will happen in the next birth. But if you donate your organ in this life, then someone else can get a new life. And by doing this, somewhere you will still alive after death. Don't just recycle coke cans, recycle organs as well. And in eye donation, there is no extraction of the whole eye. Only the cornea is extracted, so there will be no facial change. Be a symbol of hope for those who are waiting. अगर सब ये सोचने लग जाए कि भाई मैंने तो अपनी ज़िंदगी देख ली और मेरे इन आंखों से कोई आने वाला बच्चा या पुरुष देख पाएगी, तो इससे बड़ा पुण्य का काम मेरे ख्याल से और नहीं होगा. Place your eye today. Contact your nearest hospitals where you can donate your eyes. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.